Yeah, exactly. Hey y'all, in case you're wondering, yeah, it's winter time. It showed up yesterday, and it's daylight savings time, and it's cloudy, and it's almost dark. So I'm gonna try to get one more log done for the day, and it's a decent sized one. I hadn't measured it yet, but it's kind of big. I've got my exposure set up pretty high, so I don't know if it looks as dark as it really is. Personally, I do not like sawing when it gets dark. Shadows get pretty sharp, and I don't know, I end up tearing stuff up. But it ain't dark yet, and I should have just enough time to get this big old boy whittled down to toothpicks. So let's see what we can do here. Trying to identify stress. I think I've got the stress plane figured out on this guy. We're just gonna get it and go. Width-wise, no problem at all. Get this guy off. Let's cut a couple of these guys off. Probably get 2 of these. That's about right with that one. Pull that back. There we go. Moving at a decent clip. Ain't bad. Get one more of them. These boards are really flat. I'm cutting perpendicular to the log stress. So they should be flat, and they are flat. I'm going to get one more, see how it goes. Pull these back, take a look at them. Those are laying dead flat. I'm loving it. I'm gonna have to take one more. And then we're gonna pull these back, go to the other side. Try not to shoot my log up too much. Go into pattern mode. Get this guy off of here. Still getting dark as we speak. Once again, the microphone's slowing me down. Vertical, I'm gonna take those and balance it this way. Oh, I can hear that sawmill singing. Woo! I don't know if that ever shows up. I don't know if that ever comes across on the audio. It's about 13 and a half. I'm gonna take another one. Eyeballing that, that looks about right. Still a little wide. I'm gonna take one more. Get no stress at all. That's typical of what happens when I'm sawing perpendicular to the log stress. And those boards are laying there. Talking, I'm slowing down. I need to keep the speed up. All right, let's pull these back. All right. Rotate up. Problem is, we need to rotate up. The problem is, I'm on the wrong side. I'm going to do a back flip. That way the high face, the tallest face towards me. I'm also about to hit my, run out of room on my back stop. Go down here. Let's just give it a little bump. There we go. That way it's on the rails the way I want it. Let's set the clamp. We're good. Let's get the sawing again. All right, I'll take several here. I'm going to take one more. They're still looking pretty good. We had a little technical. I had to take a quick break for something. Back on the mill again. I lost a few minutes of time. Not what I wanted to do, but part of the game. That's about centered. They're equally balanced. Let's pull this back. Take a few off this side. I know you can hear that note. Pull these guys off. I don't know if you can see anything. Well, see anything or not, that's what we're taking. We're finishing this guy up. That's about 6.5 inches thick. Pull it back. We'll rotate. Get it up on the side. Bring that down. Set the clamp. Come on in. Going right through the pit, but that's okay. I'll probably discard those boards in a second. I'll look them over and see if they're worth having, but I would think they're probably not. All right, last board. Go down so we don't hit the clamp. Speed up. Got it. Release the clamp. Drop the dog. Bring the head down. Feed him back. All right. Bark coming off. Man, that looks like something out of the Blair Witch Project. It got dark fast. Wow, cloudy day. When the sun went down, but I still got it done. Let's take a quick look in the shadows here. Rainbow poplar, you can't hardly tell. Beautiful wood though. Look at the colors. I don't know if this high dollar camera that it's not is catching all this. But we got it done. You can see a nice stack right there. The old Blair Witch Project. I hadn't thought about that one in a while. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I ain't gonna do that. I don't want no witches coming after me. So anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Let me take these sunglasses. That maybe, you know, when I take the glasses off, it's not quite as dark, but it's still getting kind of dark. We will see you guys next week. And isn't this wood beautiful? let's stack it up and get to the house. Thanks for visiting our sawmill. Click on the links above to see more of our videos.